The RMVB extension identifies a RealMedia Variable Bitrate file containing video content encoded with RealNetworks Variable Bitrate codec. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play or convert these video files. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your RMVB, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. RMVB files are video files using RealNetworks RealMedia Variable Bitrate encoding format. They achieve efficient compression by varying the bitrate throughout the video, allocating more bits to complex scenes and fewer to simple ones. RMVB was widely popular for video distribution in Asia. RMVB files use the RealMedia container with RealVideo 9 or 10 variable bitrate codec, storing video alongside RealAudio or AAC audio streams. The variable bitrate approach provides better quality-to-size ratio than constant bitrate alternatives at equivalent file sizes. The specific reading module for RMVB files is provided by VLC Media Player from VideoLAN project. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows plays video smoothly when supported, but unsupported types require extra codecs. Open the context menu by right-clicking your RMVB file and choosing Open With. Try VLC Media Player first, as it's the standard. If it doesn't appear, choose another application and continue testing compatibility. Because the RMVB format is highly specialized, general solutions often fail. To ensure a proper fix, let's verify these crucial details on our checklist right now. First, playing the file. Open the RMVB file in VLC Media Player, which includes native RealMedia codec support. On Windows, you can also install RealPlayer from real.com for native playback. VLC provides the most reliable cross-platform RMVB playback without additional codec installations. Next, converting to MP4. Use FFmpeg to convert RMVB files to MP4 by running FFmpeg, I input RMVB, C via libs264, C AAC output MP4 in the command line. Handbrake also supports RMVB input files for conversion to modern formats with configurable quality and resolution settings. Finally, batch conversion. For large RMVB collections, use FFmpeg batch scripts, or Handbrake's queue feature, to convert multiple files to MP4 format. Create a batch script that processes all RMVB files in a directory for efficient library conversion to universally compatible modern video formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.